Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we discuss the best 3D printer for cookie cutters. This is an important topic, especially if you're looking to make your custom cookie cutters, especially for users looking to personalize their cookie cutters with unique shapes, sizes, and designs. We all know that a quality 3D printer can make or break an artist's career, which is why it's important to choose the right one. To help you out, we've done the research and narrowed it down to 5 of the best 3D printers for cookie cutters. That printer can be used in any condition, and it can help you create almost any shape or design you can imagine. We have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is FlashForge Adventurer 3 3D Printer. The FlashForge Adventurer 3 is a compact 3D printer designed for ease of use and affordability. It features a fully enclosed chamber that helps to keep the printing environment stable and prevents the emission of fumes. This printer uses a single extruder that can print with various materials, including PLA, ABS, PETG, etc. What makes this printer ideal for cookie cutter making is its advanced features. With a removable nozzle, you won't have to worry about leveling printing or clogging, making your cookie cutter creations effortless. The bendable build plate ensures that your designs come out ideally every time without any warping. But that's not all. This printer also features filament detection, so you won't have to worry about running out of mid-print. The Adventurer 3 has an easy-to-use filament replacement system that will return you to printing quickly. So whether you're a professional baker or love creating unique cookie cutters as a hobby, the FlashForge Adventurer 3 3D printer is a perfect choice. Get ready to bring your cookie cutter designs to life with this top-of-the-line 3D printer. Its advanced features allow you to create endless arrangements and elevate your cookie-making game. If you want to buy the best 3D printer, check the link in the description box to buy it. Number 2 is Dremel Digilab 3D printer. Have you ever wanted to create custom cookie cutters in any shape imaginable? The Dremel Digilab 3D printer is an excellent option for those who wish to unleash their creativity and make unique, personalized cookie cutters in any shape they desire. This low-cost printer lets you quickly print your first creation right out of the box with its pre-assembled design and clear setup instructions. Safety is always a top priority, and the Dremel Digilab 3D covers you. Its fully enclosed design and non-heated build plate ensure a safe and secure printing experience. Plus, with its UL safety approval, you can trust that this printer has undergone rigorous testing to provide the highest level of safety for you and your loved ones. Compatibility is critical when choosing a 3D printer. The Dremel Digilab 3D is no exception. It's compatible with the industry-leading open-source 3D printing software Cura and your favorite slicers, allowing you to quickly bring your creative visions to life. With unparalleled customer service and a 1-year warranty, you can trust that the Dremel Digilab 3D is the best choice for all your cookie cutter printing needs. If you are interested in the 3D printer, check out the link in the description box and purchase it. Number 3 is Elegoo Resin 3D printer. Are you tired of the same old dull cookie cutters? Upgrade your baking game with the Elegoo Resin 3D printer, the best 3D printer for cookie cutters. With its precise and high-quality printing capabilities, you can create unique, intricate designs that awe your friends and family. The Elegoo Resin 3D printer boasts impressive features that make it stand out. Its high-resolution printing capabilities ensure that even the tiniest details on your cookie cutters will be captured accurately. Its optimized heat sink unit guarantees a long lifespan for the printer's LED lights so that you can print to your heart's content. But what sets the Elegoo Resin 3D printer apart is its easy-to-use release film 2.0 technology. The small and thin supports added to your model will be well protected, and the printer has a greatly improved success rate when printing 3D models with lots of details. Refrain from settling for plain old cookie cutters. With the Elegoo Resin 3D printer, you can let your creativity run wild and bring your baking creations to the next level. So go ahead and give your cookies the upgrade they deserve. So if you want to purchase this printer, check the link in the description box below. Number 4 is QIDI Technology's Single Extruder 3D Printer. If you want to create some fun and unique cookie cutters, then the QIDI Technology X123D printer is the way to go. This printer is perfect for families and schools with its easy-to-use 3.5-inch touchscreen and intuitive icons. You don't need special technical skills to operate this printer, and it's as simple as hitting the print button to get started. One of the best features of this printer is its single extruder design, which significantly reduces the risk of extruder clogs. This means you can print confidently without worrying about any potential hiccups in the printing process. The printer's metal frame and heated bed make it compatible with various filaments, including ABS, PLA, and TPU. Whether you're a baking enthusiast or just looking to add fun to your kitchen, the QIDI Technology X123D printer is an excellent investment for creating unique cookie cutters. It's easy to use, reliable, and can help you bring your creative cookie ideas to life. So why not try it and see what delicious designs you can create? If you are interested in the single extruder 3D printer, check the link in the description box to buy it. Number 5 is official Creality Ender 3 upgraded 3D printer. If you're an avid baker, you know the right tools can make all the difference. And when it comes to making cookie cutters, an official Creality Ender 3 V2 upgraded 3D printer can be a game changer. One of the most remarkable features of this printer is its self-developed silent motherboard, which ensures that it operates quietly and smoothly. No more noisy distractions while you're baking up a storm. The UL-certified branded power supply, hidden within the machine, also adds a layer of safety and reliability. Loading and feeding filament is a breeze with the rotary knob on the extruder. The brand new Operation UI system and 4.3-inch bright color screen provide a seamless and intuitive user experience. The printer's resume printing function means you won't have to start from scratch if there's a power outage or other unexpected interruption. But what sets this printer apart is its carborundum glass platform, which heats up quickly and allows your prints to adhere better without warping. This translates into ultra-smooth, professional-looking cookie cutters that impress even the most discerning bakers. So if you buy the upgraded 3D printer, check the link in the description box. That's all from us in today's video. I hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printer for cookie cutters. If you like any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box below to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching. And please recognize to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more amazing upcoming videos.